Okay, good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon, Mister.
Good afternoon, Mister.
Okay, how are you this afternoon? Are you okay?
Okay, Mister.
Okay, before we continue our material today, the first one, let's pray together ya. Let's pray together. Oke, mari kita berdoa bersama. Doa dimulai. Doa selesai. Okay, now I will to check your present list ya. I will to check your present list. The first one, Arta Gula.
Present, Mister.
Evan Etika Gula.
Present, Mister.
Mustika Gandaria Gula.
Present, Mister.
Franz Jason Warubu. Absent ya. Okay. Now, before we continue for the new material, yeah, I will to tell you about the learning objective ya, atau tujuan pembelajaran. Tujuan pembelajaran kita pada hari ini ada 4. Yang pertama, peserta didik mampu mengidentifikasi fungsi sosial teks surat lamaran kerja. Yang kedua, peserta didik mampu menjelaskan struktur teks surat lamaran kerja. Yang ketiga, peserta didik mampu membandingkan unsur kebahasaan surat lamaran kerja. Dan yang terakhir adalah peserta didik mampu menyusun secara sederhana kurikulum vitae atau yang sering disebut dengan daftar riwayat hidup. Ya, itu adalah tujuan pembelajaran kita pada hari ini. But before that, I will give you a slide. Look at this one. Have you ever found these pictures? Okay, students, have you ever found these pictures?
Yes, Mister.
Yes, Mister.
Oh,
Yes,
okay,
Mister.
thank you. Where do you found it?
In office.
Oh, in office. In other else?
In internet.
Internet.
On the
Okay.
street.
Great. Yeah, in the street. Yeah. What do you think about these pictures?
My opinion about this future is about how to get a job.
Okay, your answer is very great. Yeah, about this picture. In your mind, yeah. If you look at this one, yeah, it is about for apply for a job. Yeah. Okay.
Yes, Mister.
So our material today is application letter. Yeah. Our material today, it is about application letter. Okay.
Leather.
Before we continue to explain that, yeah, look at your handout and comprehend the text. And also comprehend and observe the curriculum vitae that I have sent in Google Classroom. Jadi sekarang lihat handout kamu yang sudah saya bagikan di Google Classroom. Silakan pahami teks surat lamaran kerja dan amati daftar riwayat hidup. Sekarang silakan amati itu dan silakan pahami. Okay, I will give you time. Sudah dipahami? Sudah ya? Oke. Now, let's ask. Atau let's see ya. What is application letter?
Application letter is a letter to express our interest for applying for a job.
Okay, your answer is very excellent ya. It's very excellent. How about the others?
Application is for letter.
Okay, next. Application letter in a formal letter. Okay, great. Okay, how about the others?
Application letter is a letter written by applicants to send in an agency or an office to get something job.
Okay, your answer is very excellent and brilliant answer ya. Brilliant opinions ya. I very salute for you. Ya, Arta. Okay, let's see together. What is about application letter? Ya. Application letter is a formal letter written but to apply for a job and also as the important information for applying a certain position. This is about definition of application letter. Yeah. So, yeah, this definition is or are same with your opinion before. Ya. Surat lamaran kerja itu adalah sebuah surat formal ya, yang ditulis untuk mendapatkan sebuah pekerjaan ya, dan juga sebagai informasi penting untuk mendapatkan sebuah posisi yang pasti. Tentu saja di mana kita mendapatkan ini adalah berdasarkan surat lamaran atau surat lowongan pekerjaan yang dikeluarkan oleh yang membuka lowongan seperti di perusahaan dan kantor-kantor lembaga. Ya, itu. Ya. Next. What is the purpose of application letter?
The purpose of application letter is to applying for a job.
Okay, your answer, Noberta, it's very good. Yeah. The purpose of application letter, it is to apply for a job. Tujuan dari surat lamaran kerja itu adalah untuk mendapatkan sebuah pekerjaan. Ya, berarti sampai di sini paham ya. Oke, pintar-pintarnya peserta didik saya ini. Ya, oke. Sekarang, ya, setelah Anda memahami teks itu, ya, sekarang ya, silakan dilihat kembali, ya, dilihat kembali teksnya, dan jika ada yang ditanyakan, ya, ditanyakan sebelum jauh ke sana, boleh ditanya, terutama pada vocabulary yang masih belum dimengerti, ya, silakan ditanya. Sebelum kita masuk ke penjelasan berikutnya, kalau ada yang belum jelas, ketika Anda sudah mengamati dan memahami surat lamaran kerja serta daftar riwayat hidup, silakan ditanya sebelum kita lanjut ke depan. Mungkin ada beberapa kosakata atau vocabulary yang kurang dimengerti. Oke, kalau tidak ada, kita coba lihat ini ya. Oke, sekarang pekerjaan kita bersama dan terutama kamu, mari kita lihat beberapa kosakata yang sering muncul atau yang perlu kita ketahui dalam membuat surat lamaran kerja, ya. Nah, jadi sekarang kita coba lihat bersama, ya, dan cari apa artinya dalam bahasa Indonesia. Ya. Let's look at this vocabulary and then let's to find the meaning in Indonesian. Yeah. The first one is attach or enclose. Yeah. What the meaning of the word? Apa arti dari kata
Melampirkan.
melampirkan? You're right, ya.
Melampirkan.
Okay. Attachment.
Lampiran.
Lampiran. You're right. Rizam. Or resume.
Ringkasan.
Ringkasan. Atau daftar riwayat hidup, ya.
Alasan.
Next, driving license.
Surat izin mengemudi.
Surat izin mengemudi atau SIM. Next, education.
Pendidikan.
Pendidikan. Profession.
Hasab.
Kalian.
Keahlian, ya. Keahlian atau kefasihan. Oke. Next. Identity card.
Kartu identitas.
Kartu identitas. Right. Atau sering disebut dengan KTP, ya. Salary. Salary. Gaji, ya. Fresh graduate.
Pendidikan terakhir.
Pendidikan terakhir atau lulusan terbaru, ya. Oke, next. Under pressure. Under pressure. Di bawah tekanan. Di bawah tekanan. Oke.
Di bawah tekanan.
Di bawah tekanan, ya. Oke, jadi sekarang, ya, silakan atau mari kita belajar mengenai struktur atau unsur kebahasaan dalam surat lamaran kerja. Oke. Ya. The structure of application letter. Struktur dari surat lamaran kerja. Ya. If you write the application letter, ya, we should know or prepare, ya, the structure of applicant letter or application letter. Ya. The first one is applicant's address. Ya. Applicant's address, ya, will be right if you write the application letter. Ya. Applicant's address consists of the applicant's name, address, ya, telephone number, and also email. Ya, the email, ya, the email. Second one is dates. Ya, dates. Ya. If you write the applicant's letter, they are to style to write the dates. The first one is American style, ya, and the second one is British style. Ya. British.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
The third one is employer address. Employer address, ya, should be right such as, ya, company's name, job title, employer's address, telephone number, and employer's emails. Next, salutation. Ya. Salutations, ya, consists of dear Mr. or dear Madam, ya, or dear Sir. Ya. Ya. Next one is opening paragraph. Ya. Opening paragraph. You know opening paragraph?
Paragraf pembuka.
Paragraf pembuka, ya. Paragraf pembuka. Okay. In opening paragraph, ya, we should write the general information about the applicant, ya. Okay.
Yes.
Next one is body of leather. Yeah. Okay. Body of leather. In body of leather, we should explain or write the qualification have and also the skills. Qualifications such as education, yeah, fresh graduates, yeah, and skills such as we can operate the computer. Yeah, it is about skills. Yeah. The next one is closing paragraph. Yeah. In closing paragraph, you must write text and don't forget, yeah, to write your hope. Your hope in here. Yeah, you must write, yeah, what is the employer's need, such as we hope or I hope Mr. John can call me to follow the interview. Yeah. The next one is closing. Yeah, closing. In closing, yeah, we should we should write
Yes,
such
Mister.
as your sincerely, yeah, and also yours faithful. Yeah. And the last one is signature. In signature, you should write your full name and don't forget to sign it. To sign it. Sometimes the applicants, if he or her write the applicant's letter, yeah, they attach their curriculum vitae. Ya. Kadang-kadang seorang pelamar, ya, ketika mereka menulis sebuah surat pekerjaan, mereka melampirkan daftar riwayat hidup, ya, or curriculum vitae, ya, curriculum vitae. It is about, ya, the structure of applicants or application letter. Yeah.
Leather.
The example of application letter, yeah, you can look in your handouts and also you can click on the following link, ya. Jadi contoh dari surat lamaran kerja ada di bahan ajar yang sudah Mister bagikan, dan kamu juga boleh mencoba klik link yang ada di handout. Di sana nanti Anda dipertemukan beberapa contoh surat lamaran kerja, baik dalam bentuk bahasa Inggris dan juga dalam bentuk bahasa Indonesia, ya. Oke. Ini juga adalah the examples of curriculum vitae, ya. This is about the example of curriculum vitae. To be more, you know the example of curriculum vitae, you can see in your handouts, ya. Okay, next, ya. The language features of application letter. Ini adalah unsur kebahasaan. In application letter, there are two language features. The first one is vocabulary, such as attach, attachment, resume, driving license, education, proficiency, requirements. Yeah. And also grammar. Yeah. In application ladder, we use a grammar. It is about simple present tense. Ya, ini adalah simple present tense. We form subject plus to be plus verb 1 plus object or complements. Ya, complements. Jadi tata bahasa yang digunakan dalam surat lamaran kerja adalah simple present tense, ya, dengan rumusnya subjek tambah to be tambah verb 1 tambah object or complements, ya. Okay, now I want to ask you, give a sentence about simple present tense.
Oke, maafkan. Halo, minta maaf atas nama Refaim Berkat. Halo, saya nggak tahu. Halo. Wah, Sarah. Halo, Mas.
Oke, sekarang silakan buat satu kalimat, ya. Kalimat simple present tense. How about you, Gandaria? You can give, yeah, example about simple present tense. How about you, Arta? Okay, yeah. The example of simple present tense such as I am a fresh graduate. Saya adalah seorang lulusan terbaru, ya, itu, ya. Oke. Next. To be more explanation about application ladder, click on the following links, ya. Jadi untuk mengetahui lebih lanjut tentang surat lamaran kerja, silakan diklik linknya sudah saya bagikan di handouts yang kamu dapatkan di Google Classroom, ya.
Baik, Mister.
Okay. Then, ya, look at your handouts, comprehend the example of application ladder, and pay attention on the generic structure. Sekarang lihat bahan ajar kamu lagi. Ya, di sana ada contoh dari surat lamaran kerja. Silakan dipahami dan perhatikan strukturnya. Ya, oke. Before we continue for the next steps, if you have questions, please ask. I will give you time. Sebelum kita lanjut pada langkah berikutnya, jika ada pertanyaan, saya akan memberikan waktu kepada kamu. Silakan.
I want to ask, Mr.
Okay, if you have questions, please
Yes,
ask.
I have, Mister.
Hi, Mr.
Okay, who is the first? Ladies first, ya. Ladies first, ya.
Yes, no problem.
Ladies first. Okay, Lestariani. Okay, what is your questions?
Okay, Mister.
Mm. Okay, your questions? Apa pertanyaannya, Lestariani?
Okay, Mister. I want to ask, what's the tips to write a good application letter?
Okay, pardon me. Maaf, ulangi. What is the tips?
What's the tip to write application letter?
What is tips? Yeah, to write a good
Write a good application
application letter.
letter.
Ya, tips ya. Okay. Okay. Franz Jason, what is your question?
Yes, Mister. I want to ask about how to write a good application letter.
Okay, how to write
A good application letter.
a good application letter.
Yes,
Okay.
Mister.
Thank you. Your questions is very good, yeah. It's very good, such as from Lestariani Davolo and also Franz Jasons, yeah. Okay, for all my students in here, your friends ask, yeah, from Lestariani, she asked about what is the tips of write a good application letter, ya. Apa tips yang harus kita ketahui untuk menulis sebuah surat lamaran kerja yang baik. Jadi tipsnya, ya, what is the tips? And also your friends Franz Jensen baru, how to write a good application letter. How to write, ya, bagaimana menulis sebuah surat lamaran kerja. Okay. Now I will give you time to answer the questions. Yeah, give your opinion about this one. Who can? The first one from Lestariani. She asked about the tips. Yeah, the tips how to write a good application letter. While Franz Jason, yeah, he asked about how to write a good application letter. Yeah. Tips and how to write, yeah, a good, yeah.
I am Mister.
Okay, please. Arta, ya. Okay, give your opinion, Arta.
It's just my opinion, Mister. I want to answer the question of Franciscan Warubu.
Okay.
Conclusion about how to make a good application letter. In my mind, from explanation of Mr. Time ago, to write a good application letter, we must write the application letter. We use the structure of application letter. That is applicant's address, date, employer, and until signature. Then we use our letter. We are include the language feature of application letter. That is grammar, simple present tense, from attach until apply. That's Mister.
Okay, thank you, Arta. Your answer is very good, yeah. I so salute for you, yeah. Okay, how about Roberta?
Okay, Mister. I want to answer about the question of Lestariani Davolo.
Okay, please.
The question is how to write a good.
Sorry, tips, ya. Tips, ya. What's the
Good
tips?
What the tips? Okay. My answer is the first. Review information about the company and position. to open the letter by describing your interest. Third is use a professional format. And the last is create the heading of your letter.
Okay, thank you Noberta ya. Your answer is very good ya, great ya, great ya, and also very good ya. Okay, I will take a conclusion for your answer ya. The first one from Lestariani ya, Lestariani double. Your question is, what are the tips to write a good applicant's letter? Yeah, the tips to write a good application letters. The first one is emphasize your skills and abilities. Yeah, emphasize your skills and abilities. The second one is stay conscious. Yeah. The third one is proofread letter. Yeah, or proofread letter. The fourth, review the job listing keywords. And the last one is send a letter for every position to which you apply. It is about the tips of how to write a good application letter. Okay. Do you understand, Lestariani? Okay. Thank you. Yeah. Next one. Mr. Franz Jensen's Waru questions. Yeah.
Yes, Mr.
His questions is how to write a good application letter. Yeah. The first one, I appreciate Arta. Yeah. He had to try to answer the questions from you, Mr. Franz Jessens. Yeah. But
Yes, Mr.
before Mr. explain more about your questions, yeah, we must do, or our basic is about the structure of application letter, such as applicant's address, date, and the end of the application letter. It is about signatures, and also, yeah, we must to know the language features of application letter. Yeah. Okay. The next answer of that, it is about or such as, yeah. The first one is review information about the component and position. Yeah. Review information about the component and position. Kita harus memperhatikan informasi tentang perusahaan dan posisi yang dibutuhkan. Ya, kita harus tahu itu dulu. Ya, jangan nanti kita sudah menulis surat lamaran kerja tapi tidak kita tuangkan di dalam isi surat. Ya. The second one is use a professional format. Ya, kita harus menggunakan format yang bagus atau istilahnya professional format. Ya. Yang lebih tahu artinya ini atau maksudnya adalah anak-anak IPS ya, the sosial ya, the social program ya, the professional format. The third one is create the heading. Ya. Harus kita kreasikan atau menciptakan kopnya dulu. Ya. And the last one is express appreciation. Ya. Kita harus mengekspresikan apresiasi kita kenapa kita harus melamar suatu pekerjaan di lowongan pekerjaan yang dibuka oleh lembaga atau sebuah perusahaan. Ya. Okay. How about you, Franz Jason? Do you understand about that?
Oh, thank you, Mr. for your explain, and I am very understand
okay, thank
about
you, yeah.
My question. Thank you,
Okay,
Mr.
thank you. Okay, next. Now, yeah, in classroom, I have sent LKPD, yeah, I have sent it. Please doing the task there. Di LKPD itu ada beberapa penugasan, silakan dikerjakan. Ya, silakan dikerjakan. Kemudian ada lagi nanti satu file instrumen penilaian, sekaligus itu nanti sebagai evaluasi pembelajaran kita pada pertemuan ini. Jadi silakan dikerjakan, ya. Kemudian kalau sudah siap dikerjakan, silakan dikirim balik jawabannya melalui Google Classroom. Kemudian seperti biasanya, semua filenya silakan dibuat dalam bentuk PDF. Ya, oke. Before we closing our class today, ya, let us take conclusion. Ya, sebelum kita mengakhiri kelas kita pada hari ini, mari kita bersama-sama mengambil kesimpulan pembelajaran kita pada hari ini. Jadi, maybe one of you can take a conclusion, ya. Mungkin salah satu di antara kamu ada yang bisa menyimpulkan materi kita pada hari ini. I will give you time. Oke.
Mr.
Oke, Arta. Oke, please.
Thank you for material of Mr. And all of my friends. I want to telling you the concept our material today. Our material today talking about application ladder. But first, we must know what the meaning of application ladder. From Mr. explanation a time ago, application ladder is a formal ladder written to apply for a job and also important to applying a certain job. The second, we must know what is the purpose of application ladder. The purpose of application ladder is to apply for a job. Then we must know the structure of application ladder. Okay, the structure of application ladder, that is vocabulary and grammar. Grammar is using the formula subject plus to be plus verb plus object. Then the vocabulary using is applicant's address, date, employer's address, solution, opening paragraph, answer the signature. And the last, in application ladder, there is vocabulary in language feature. That is attach, attachment, result, send, salary, answer the apply. That's all my opinion, sir.
Okay, your conclusion is very good, yeah. It's very good, yeah. Your conclusion, Arta. Okay, so the conclusion of our material today, it is about application ladder. Yeah, before we know more about application ladder, the first one we know the definition of application ladder. Yeah, yeah. The definition of application ladder, it is about a formal ladder written by or to apply for a job, and also the important information, yeah, to get a good position. The next, it is about the purpose of application ladder. The purpose of application ladder, it is about to apply for a job, yeah. And then the structure and the language feature, yeah, can you see in your handouts? Yeah. Okay. Before we continue, our test in closing class. I would like to remember you, please doing the task in LKPD and also in instruments, yeah. Okay, that's all our material today, yeah. Hopefully, all of the material today are you understand, yeah? Or you understand for all the material today, yeah?
Yes, yes,
But
Mister.
the next time, yeah, prepare yourself to follow the English class. Thank you for today. Ya. Salam sehat, salam santun, selamat belajar. Oke, selamat sore.
Selamat sore, Mister.
Mister.
Oke, kita coba dulu foto bersama. Silakan hidupkan kamera.
Yes, Mister.
Hidupkan kamera, kita foto bersama ya.
Give your style, man.
Okay, your style, your style.